Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Guru beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Guru login page. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, look for the login section. You will see two fields requesting your credentials. In the first field, enter your registered email address. Next, move to the second field and input your password. If you want to stay logged in, check the box that says Remember Me. After filling in your information, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your Guru dashboard. In case you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Click on the link to initiate the password recovery process. You will be prompted to enter your email again. Check your email inbox for further instructions. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once your password has been reset, return to the login page. Re-enter your email and new password in the respective fields. Click the login button again to access your account. You are now logged into Guru and ready to start using the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.